Alright, custom format is a powerful tool in Microsoft Excel that helps you to change how data is displayed without changing the actual value of the cell. It helps you to make your worksheets look more consistent and professional. Uh, to change the custom format of each cell, you have two ways. You can uh, use the shortcut key Ctrl 1 in your keyboard, or you just need to click with your right button of your mouse and go to Format Cell, Custom, and here you can change. Excel already provides a bunch of default options you can choose, but here in this video I will show some hidden features inside the Microsoft Excel custom format. Right. First, I will show you the structure. For example, the first, um, the, there are different parameters you can use here. There are 4 of them. The first one will show how positive numbers will be displayed. For example, I can choose to change to display my numbers as with the additional text positive. The second parameter is for negative values, so I can use a simple text. The third parameter is for zero values, so I can use for zeros. And the last one for text. This is my text. So now if I type a positive number, it will show positive and the number. A negative number will show negative. A zero number will show the text I choose. And a text will show this is my text. This is the basic structure of custom format. Again, the first one for positive, second one for negative, third one for zeros, and the last one for text. All right. Placeholders. I can display my numbers. For example, I can show, let me clear this format here. Just general, all right. Let me use the second cell. No, no. All right. This is because the font. Let me change the font here. For some reason, Excel is not obeying me. All right. So if I want to display thousands in my numbers, for example, I will type 1 million here. Depending on the currency in your local system, it could be separated by dots or comma. In my currency, the thousands is separated by dots, so we use one dot to separate my number and add the number symbol for thousands. Since it's 1 million, it will show 1,000 thousands, which is 1 million. Can also change it adding one more separator and instead of thousands, a million. So my number, instead showing 1 million, it will display just 1M describing as 1 million instead. Another feature I can use in custom format is colors. I can change the colors of my numbers depending on the value of the cell. So I can add, for example, the color blue for positive numbers, the color red for negative numbers, the color green for zeros, and the color yellow for texts. So if I type 1 or 100, it will display in blue. If I type minus 100, it will display in red. If I type 0, it will display in green. This green I don't like much, so I will change it to display in a better way for the eyes. You can use colors from 1 in an index, colors from 1 all the way through 56. You have 56 options to choose. For example, I will use instead the default green, I will use the color 10, which is a darker green instead, and I think it's better for the eyes in this case. And my text, it is in yellow, it shows yellow. All right. Conditionals. You can also use conditionals for your numbers. For example, one simple example is to add the conditionals for plurals. If my number, for example, days or day, if my number is equal 1, it should display space day. However, otherwise it should display the number and the plural days. So if I type 1, it shows day. If I type 2, it shows plural, 100 days, 1 day. And the final trick is how to hide data. For example, if you want to hide some information like a password, for example, so my password 123, you can hide it. It's very simple. My password 123. How can I hide this? Simply adding an asterisk at the text formatting. So I go to the format cells, custom, semicolon, 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 2 asterisks, and boom, you hide your data in your cell as a password. that's it for it. Okay, if you like this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe.